Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Desi Chana Sabji. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of Desi Chana, soaked overnight, along with 2 medium onions, 2 tomatoes, and 2 green chilies. Don't forget 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste. We'll also use essential spices like turmeric, red chili, coriander, and garam masala to build our flavors. Now let's prepare the chana. After soaking your Desi Chana overnight, drain and rinse it well. Transfer the chana to a pressure cooker, adding 3 cups of fresh water and a small pinch of salt. Cook it for about 5 to 6 whistles. This ensures the chana becomes perfectly tender, but still holds its shape, which is crucial for our sabji. Next, we'll create our flavorful gravy. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, then add cumin seeds until they splutter. Sauté your finely chopped onions until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Now, incorporate the ginger garlic paste and green chilies, cooking for about 1 minute. Finally, stir in the chopped tomatoes and all your powdered spices, cooking until the oil begins to separate. For the final steps, add your perfectly boiled chana to the rich, aromatic gravy we just prepared. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the chana is well coated. Let the sabji simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Garnish generously with fresh chopped cilantro. Serve this delicious Desi Chana sabji hot with roti, puri, or steamed rice for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.